The launch was held at Mall de Goa on Monday morning. This device comes with a 1-year warranty and 3 years of free service. Watch.
I can only say that since it is a German technology, most of the Goans can afford it. I'll call upon some NGOs who are housing the orphanages, old aged persons to procure it and keep it for the safety of them. As far as corona is concerned, doctor has talked enough, but I would like to say that one thing, that mortality or the death among the corona patients or COVID patient is really not a matter for the general public. It is really not a serious matter. Corona or COVID-19 should be taken by the public as one of the diseases we are suffering from. It is not a special thing. Yes, when pandemic started, it has created a kind of worries in the minds of the public. But now the corona should not be a matter of general talk in the corridor by all of us. We have to learn to live with it. And I have seen, I can give an example of myself. I am just staying above the primary health center, Porvarim, and I walk through that corridor where the patients are being tested for corona. And I have come across more than 400 patients. My distance was with them, but certainly not less than 2 meters. And today also I am safe. I have never had any kind of symptoms. What I am trying to say is just to keep your all safety norms in your mind, wash your hands, keep distance, and do not talk about the corona. Corona is no more, I suppose. It is not a matter of concern for the public. As far as we maintain our washing standards, washing hands, sanitizing and keeping the distance. I would also like to take opportunity to congratulate all the corona warriors, front warriors led by dynamic people like Health Minister of Goa and the Honorable Chief Minister, who have managed it very well. The statistics I would not like to talk much, but I would like to say that we have, as we have read in the newspaper, the government has issued a release where it is very much clear that number of deaths occurred in the months of July and August this year in 2020 were much less than the number of deaths occurred in the same months, July and August, last 2 years. So the COVID-19 disease should not be a kind of a headache for all of us, should not be a tension, it should not be talked much about it.
I am extremely happy that Pratap has taken over this innovative oxygen therapy which can be given at home. It's very important in this full COVID. One thing which is extremely important in the treatment is only oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. Rest all medicines have not shown any benefit to anyone significantly. जे सामके डेफिनेटली बाबा हे तुका मेडिसीन लागतलें आनी तूं बरो जातलो अशें आमचे कडेन एकूय मेडिसीन ना. बट वी आर वेरी शुअर टायमली ऑक्सिजन is the extremely important part of this full treatment of the COVID. Home isolation is a big thing now in the government. Almost there are 4,000 people in home isolation today in Goa. In a small Goa, 4,000 people are in home isolation. They have been looked after by now the health officers and his team from individual area. But जेन्ना oxygenation मातशें कमी जालें and that time which is taken from him to be shifted from the house to the hospital or the COVID care center or where oxygen facility is available will be a critical factor in determining the outcome of the disease. असल्या वेळा जर तुजे कडेन घरा कडेन असलें ऑक्सिजन मशीन जर आसा and which you can take especially for a comorbid patient with this facility, suppose आमकां जर हे घरा दवरूंक मेळ्ळें जाल्यार even those who are having comorbidities can be treated at home. They don't need unnecessary to be admitted in the hospital also. So proper follow up आणि तांचे कडेन जर हे मशीन असलें जाल्यार तांकां ऑक्सिजन which this machine can give up to 7 liters as per their this guideline, but even 5 liters जर तुका daily घेवंक मेळ्ळें and if you can take around half an hour every 2-3 hours, सकाळी half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the afternoon and maybe around 1 hour in the night before sleep, I think it will keep you healthy for even elderly population who are in the home isolation. So the single most factor which can determine the outcome is oxygen, and this is the innovative way of giving oxygen at home. व्हडलो सिलिंडर तुम्ही घरा हाडून दवरलो न्हय इज व्हेरी रिस्की. पयलीं म्हणजे तो हाडप आनी व्हरप इज अ बीग प्रोसिजर इटसेल्फ. प्लस तो मातसो ऑन उरलो जाल्यार तुजे घरान सगळ्यांक डूम करून एक फस्को पेटयलें सगळ्या घराक उजो लागू शकता. सो दीज आर कंपेरेटिवली सेफर ती ऑक्सिजन फ्रॉम द एअर घेतात, कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करतात अँड दे गिव यू ॲक्च्युअल ऑक्सिजन विच इज अराउंड 92 to 95% तांची हें आसता म्हणजे प्युरिटी विच इज सफिशंट टू गिव यू दॅट मच टायम. He is the most important man to tell us actually statistics wise what is the death rate आमचे सगळे. And yesterday CM has really said the most important part, all cause mortality म्हणजे खंयच्याय हातून मनीस मरप. सी इन द एंड न्ही तूं कित्यानूय मेलो तुजें मरण इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू आम्स. तूं फाल्यां कॅन्सरान मेलो, तूं फाल्यां कोविडान मेलो, तूं एक्सिडेंटान मेलो, पण डेथ इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर दॅट पर्टिक्युलर फॅमिली. फॉर अस इट इज जस्ट अ स्टॅटिस्टिक्स. पण प्रत्येकाच्या फॅमिलीक एक मनीस मरतकच ताजो व्हॅल्यू त्या फॅमिलीकूच कळटा. Because the rest of the people just count him as a one death. But the family knows the importance of that death. So म्हाका दिसता की now that we have completed 500 deaths, the time has come to study all these 500 deaths minutely to see if we can improve this mortality in the next few months. प्रत्येक कडेन की तो पावपाक कितको टायम लागलो, ताका कितें कोमॉर्बिडिटी आशिल्ल्यो, ताजे कडेन ऑक्सिजन घरा कडेन आशिल्लें काय ना, ऑक्सिजन ताका मेळपाक कितको टायम लागलो. All these things, if you study properly in these 500 people, I think we will be able to save at least another 50-20. एक 50 जाणांक तरी आमी सेव करूं शकतले in near future. Not that everybody will be saved, but this statistics will give us idea की आमकां सगळ्यांक कळूंक मेळटलें की बाबा how many people can be saved. The statistics plays an extremely important role in the management of the treatment because आमी खंय चुकता, दोतोर खंय चुकता, the system खंय चुकता, how we can rectify that system, कशें ते ब्लॉक करू शकता आमी हे मिस्टेक्स. ऑल दीस थिंग्स वील प्ले अ व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट रोल इन नियर फ्युचर बिकॉज हे आमचें जें आसा निकतें आमकां प्लॅटो दिसूंक लागला. जस्ट नाव वी आर सीईंग अ प्लॅटो म्हणजे अरावंड 400-300-400च्या मदीं केसीस घुसपता. इट इज गोइंग टू कम डावन इन अ नेक्स्ट बिकॉज ऑल ओवर इंडिया देर इज अ लिटल डीप इज देर फ्रॉम 90,000 it has come to 70,000. Deaths have come down from 1,200 to around 900. So there is a dip is occurring. But mind you, this is the first wave. हे सगळे देंवतले मागीर एक 3-4 म्हयन्यांनी परत इट विल रायज. इफ यू सी द स्पेन एंड फ्रांस एंड ऑल, देर इज अ सेकंड वेव विच इज मोर पावरफूल देन द फर्स्ट वेव. बट कितें इम्पॉर्टंट जालें भितर, डेथ्स आर लेस इन द सेकंड वेव. That is because now people know how to take care, government knows how to take care, the system is built up very well. So second hathun we will be in a better organized system where we can prevent the deaths. So in the end the deaths is the important factor. कितक्या जाणांक जाले, हजारांनी जाले, पण मेले कितके, ते मरण कितक्यांक आयले, that is the most important factor in full this COVID management. And I must really congratulate the Chief Minister, Health Minister, तांणी सामकें स्वताक झोकून दिला हातून. आणि there will be शॉर्टकमिंग्स ह्यो आसतल्योच सगळे कडेन. नो बडी कॅन गिव इट इज. आमी पळयलें न्ही स्ट्रेचरार कोण म्हणटा स्ट्रेचरार न्हिदला, जमनीर न्हिदला. जमनीर सुद्दां न्हिदून जर तुका ऑक्सिजन मेळ्ळें न्ही दॅट्स अ गुड ट्रिटमेंट. आनी अमेरिका आमी न्यूयॉर्काचे फोटो पळयले जे सपोज टू बी द टॉप मोस्ट इन द हेल्थ सेक्टर, तांचे जमनीरूच न्हिदून आशिल्ले लोक. अशी परिस्थिती त्या हातून कोविडान हाडले आमचेर की सो कॉल्ड इवन द बेस्ट ऑफ जे हॉस्पिटलां आसा in the best of the world where facilities are the best. New York is known as the heart of the medicine सारखे. थंय तांच्या हॉस्पिटलान सकयल. सो आमी आमच्या स्ट्रेचरार उरले आनी जमनीर उरले म्हणून कांय भिवपाची गरज ना. ओन्ली थिंग दे शूड गेट ऑक्सिजनेशन इन द रायट टायम. सो ऑक्सिजन सप्लाय हॅज टू बी गुड. दॅट इज इम्पॉर्टंट. आनी आय फील दीस टायप ऑफ पोर्टेबल थिंग्स, इवन गव्हर्मेंट मस्ट कीप दीस पोर्टेबल थिंग्स इन द हॉस्पिटल इटसेल्फ, where you cannot reach with the piped oxygen. This type of things can be helpful. It is much cheaper compared to एक वर्षाचो हिशोब काढलो जाल्यार you are taking oxygen from air, nothing. You require little bit electricity. You don't require anything. So I feel that government also should put its mind to buy all these type of things. And ज्यांचे affordability आसा तांणी असले आनी स्पेशली जाणटे लोक जर घरान आसा, कोमॉर्बिड कोण घरान आसा जाल्यार तांणी हें हाडून दवरप एक सामकें इम्पॉर्टंट आसा.
सत्यम टेक यांचे हांव परवडच्या वतीन सर्वप्रथम अभिनंदन करता. कारण आयज आमच्या गांवांत हो जो तेणी उपक्रम समोर हाडलेला, जशें डॉक्टर शेखर सरकारान ज्या विशयाचे महर्शा तेणी जो सांगले की ह्या कोवीड वातावरणान हो अत्यंत गरजेचो विशय आसा. आनी सोयस्कर करून तो घडोवन समोर हाडलो तेणी ही एक मोठी गोष्ट आसा. आयज एक अशें समोर सिच्युएशन येयलां की कदाचित पयशे आसात पूण कांय गोश्टींचेर मात करपाक कमतरता पडटा कारण खंय तरी ज्ञानान कमी पडटा. परफेक्टली अमको विशय जाय हांगर कळोन सुद्दां तेजी आमकां सोय मेळना आनी म्हणूनच कदाचित काही मिस्टेकी जाल्या आसतल्यो. पण आयज जें डॉक्टरान सुद्दां सांगलें हो ऑक्सिजन जनरेटर आसा तो एक असो मोठ्या प्रमाणान ह्या हितूनचो अत्यंत गरजेचो विशय आसा आनी तो विशय तेंच्यांनी इतको सोयस्कर केल्लो आसा हांगार म्हणून हांव खरेंच तेंचे धन्यवाद व्यक्त करता.
पहले हमने पुणे में किया, महाराष्ट्र में किया. महाराष्ट्र में बहुत सारी जगह किया, इसका काफ़ी अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला. कस्टमर का भी प्रसाद काफ़ी अच्छा इसका आया, जिसके वजह से हमने इसको दोबारा हमने लॉन्च गोवा में किया. ये प्रोडक्ट ऐसा है जो कस्टमर घर में सेल्फ ऑक्सीजन ले सकते हैं. ऑक्सीजन की वजह से बहुत लोगों को कमी होती है या उनको सिलेंडर यूज़ करना पड़ता है, भारी सिलेंडर यूज़ करना पड़ता है. ये ऐसा है कि पोर्टेबल है, कहीं भी इसको ले जा सकते हैं. ये मशीन ऐसा है कि 1 मिनट में 1 से 7 लीटर तक आपको ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करता है और ये ओनली 90 वाट्स का है. इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पे एक डेमो लगाया है ताकि जिसको यहाँ पे देखना है यहाँ पे आकर देख सकते हैं. ये हम यहाँ पे 7 दिन का मतलब 12 तारीख से लेकर 18 तारीख तक इसका डेमो यहाँ पर चलता रहेगा. जिसको चाहिए यहाँ पे बुकिंग कर सकते हैं, लाइव लेके जा सकते हैं. इसके अलावा हमने मरगांव में भी ओसिया मॉल में इसका भी हमने प्रदर्शन लगाया है जो आप वहाँ भी जाकर देख सकते हैं. आप इसको फ़ोन पे हमारा फ़ोन नंबर इस पर भी ऑर्डर बुक कर सकते हैं. हम होम डिलीवरी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. एक्चुअली इसका MRP है 50,000 MRP है, लेकिन अभी हमने नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस पे एकदम रीजनल प्राइस में इसको लॉन्च करे ओनली 31,990 रुपीज़. और साथ में जो सपोज कुछ कस्टमर थे उनको हम ऑक्सीजन चेक करने का एक मशीन मैंने ऑक्सीजन पल्स मीटर भी फ्री दे रहे हैं हम लोग. और ये मशीन काफ़ी अच्छा है, जो घर में एक बार नहीं यूज़ करेगा दोबारा दूसरों को भी रेफ़र कर सकता है. इसका हम लोग 1 साल की फुली वारंटी मिलता है और हम लोग 3 साल तक फ्री सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं.
Our reporter Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 in Pororim.